literally has not seen this much snow since about 50 years ago, and right now there was like 20 inches of snow. 20 inches, that is a lot. I'm super excited, not prepared as usual. No hat, no winter clothes. Was not expecting this, but that's okay. Okay now. Yes, go on. There on the roof. There's loads of icicles on the streets. It's super slippery right now, like it's literally ice because there was so much snow they didn't clear it up. So it's super slippery, super dangerous. I don't even have boots. The police had to corner off sections where there was like icicles hanging so that it didn't obviously drop on someone's head. The amount of trees that fell over is actually quite sad. Streets are literally just full of trees that are just on the floor. Like, it's crazy. They weren't prepared. Now the shops, like, everything had to shut down. There's no deliveries, no post at the moment. So literally went food shopping yesterday. And there's nothing in the shops. No fruit, no fresh fruit, no fresh vegetables, no meat, no fish. So really had to, like, get random bits and bobs just to try and survive. Like loads of tin food and dried hams and things like this to try and make some meals together. But frozen peppers actually I bought, which was a lifesaver, and I actually made some really nice fajitas. But yeah, it's just been like a total mess. School has also been cancelled, so I work in a school and I was supposed to go back on the 11th, then it got cancelled until Wednesday the 13th, but then it's now cancelled again till the following Monday, so I'm still off work. It is, what's today? Thursday, so I was supposed to go back to work 4 days ago. Yeah, and there's still ice on the road. It's just a lot. Like, they really were not prepared, but it was so fun while it lasted. So fun.